In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to find top quality clips for your edits, no matter the genre. This is a highly requested video, by the way. So, if you want to get anime clips, head over to YouTube and type in anime Twixtor clips. Now, instead of scrolling through random videos, click on filter and set it to playlists. This would give you different collections of smooth clips that have 4K 60 FPS with Twixtor and other plugins already being applied to them. You can do this for anime clips, but also you can do this for movie or TV show clips, for a specific character, etc., or even sports highlights. All you have to do is swap the search terms. But you might be asking, how do we actually get these 4K clips on our computers? Well, simply use OBS. Let me show you how to tweak OBS settings to record in 4K real quick. Go to Settings, Output, and set it to this format. Under Video, make sure both your base and output resolutions are set to 4K resolution. And also crank up the bitrate to 50,000 or higher, depending if your machine can handle it or not. Now play the video in full screen, hit the record button using a shortcut on your keyboard, and boom, you've got a perfect clip ready to edit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.